Are you on the hunt for the best hoverboard? After researching and analyzing dozens of models, we put the top 5 options through rigorous hands-on testing. Hey guys, welcome to this video. In this video we will discuss and review the best hoverboards, which are best sold and achieved top-rated reviews from customers and users. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Hover One Hoverboard Scooter. The Hover One Ultra Electric Self-Balancing Scooter Hoverboard has a long-lasting battery for fun rides. It is an excellent choice for beginners and 8-year-old children. The hoverboard scooter has a top speed of 7 miles per hour and can have an enjoyable ride at an impressive range of 12 miles. The two 250-watt motors are powerful enough for 15-degree inclines. Children can ride at a reasonable pace and commute a decent distance before the battery needs recharging. The battery takes about 4 hours of charge time. The hoverboard stabilizes the rider for a fun and safe ride. When the rider steps on the board with their dominant foot, the board stabilizes so that kids can safely stop on the board with the other foot. The self-balancing system ensures an intuitive ride. Children learn quickly to accelerate or decelerate by applying foot pressure. The hoverboard is UL 2272 certified, and the long-lasting battery is IPX4 rated for water resistance. A25 2V/4 0A lithium-ion battery features a safety shield preventing overheating and fire. LED lights on both sides of the board provide visibility to the rider and make the rider visible to others. The alert system warns the rider when speeding and slowing down when riding on rougher surfaces. The hoverboard is an excellent choice for young kids who need long-lasting battery life to travel up to 12 miles. The Hover One Ultra hoverboards for kids come with a 90 days warranty. Number 2. Swagtron Swagboard Hoverboard. If you're searching for a hoverboard that goes far, the Swagboard T6 from Swagtron has one of the longest ranges we've seen. This is all thanks to its powerful dual motors. This is a solid pick for both newbies and more experienced riders. It doesn't go too fast, and is reasonably easy to control and balance on. The board may not be totally devoid of gimmicks and distractions, since it has Bluetooth functionality, which makes it appealing to older children. This is a simple yet eye-catching product, and it's easy to transport or take with you on trips. Furthermore, the hoverboard speed can be controlled by an app. This is particularly useful for parents who are concerned about the safety of their children by limiting its maximum speed. The Swagtron T6 is good for children who have lots of room to ride. It has a range of up to 12 miles per charge. Swagboard T6 does include the LED headlights. It also does have indicator lights. They'll show when the battery is fully charged and when it's time to stop for a fill-up. The location makes it easy to glimpse down and stay in the know. The board is fitted with dual 300-watt hub motors, which pack a punch in terms of power and enable it to ride for longer. However, having a top speed of 12 miles per hour, it isn't as fast as some others. Number 3. Gyroor Off-Road Hoverboard. Whether you live in the countryside or enjoy weekend outings, this hoverboard is worth a look at. The Gyroor Warrior Hoverboard is meant for going off-road. With large, sturdy tires and a rugged exterior, it excels in durability and resilience. Parents like how reliable the board feels. Even rough children can play without breaking it. It includes powerful dual motors, enabling the hoverboard to reach a speed of 95 miles per hour. It offers a range of up to 5 miles, although when going off-road, it's a little less. Nonetheless, it's a good hoverboard, which both children and adults can enjoy. It can carry a load of up to 265 pounds. This hoverboard can ride across almost any surface with its solid 5-inch tires. These are all-terrain and can safely ride on grass, gravel, dirt, and even wet grounds. It's fitted with a 700-watt motor, which provides ample power to glide effortlessly over uneven terrain. The Gyroor hoverboard aces the durability and sturdiness departments. It's made from approved UL and ABS materials, guaranteeing a high resilience to various environments. It keeps the rider safe by remaining stable. Users can ride at any time and any setting. At the front of the hoverboard are 2 LED headlights, which both illuminate the area and keep your youngster visible to people nearby. Although this hoverboard is tough, it still includes some fun elements. It comes with high-quality speakers, offering exceptional sound. You connect the board with the compatible app. Number 4. EPIKGO Self-Balancing Hoverboard. The EPIKGO self-balancing scooter is a great gift for an independent teenager who likes to cruise anywhere and everywhere. With 8 5-inch all-terrain tires and alloy wheels, it is the best all-terrain hoverboard for kids and adults. The hoverboard features solid tires, more foot space, powerful electric motors, and large wheels for a smooth ride, going uphill and crossing rough surfaces. The durable hoverboard passed 159 safety regulations tests to ensure your teen stays safe. It is UL 2272 Balance Board certified and UL 22721 Smart Battery certified. This powerful hoverboard has 400W dual motors that can climb 18-degree slopes and hills and accelerate to a speed limit of 12 miles per hour. Riders can get 10 miles from a single charge. The battery life lasts over 1 hour. The long battery life and built-in 2-hour fast charging technology won't delay your teen. They will spend more time riding than waiting for a battery to recharge. Solid rubber tires will take you anywhere. The large 8 5-inch tires are rated IP56 for solidness and water resistance, protecting the hoverboard against dust and strong water jets. These semi-submersible tires move through mud, sand, grass, concrete, and wet roads. The Epico Classic Series is recommended for more advanced riders and kids 13 years and older. The maximum speed of 12 miles per hour is too fast, and the 31-pound hoverboard is too heavy for younger children. With a weight limit of 240 pounds, LG battery, and a durable frame, your teenager can ride their electric scooter from high school into college and beyond. It is the best hoverboard electric scooter for a safe and smooth ride. Number 5. TOMOLOO Hoverboard. TOMOLOO is one of the top brands when it comes to these self-balancing scooters, and a list of the best hoverboards for kids just wouldn't be complete without one. We love this music-rhythmed model, which comes in black, pink, or blue, and includes stereo surround sound for an optimal listening experience. Tell the kids to get their playlists ready. Other features we appreciate are the synchronized LED lights, which change in tandem with the beat of the music, and the fact that it comes with a 1-year warranty for reassurance. One Amazon reviewer who purchased it for their 10-year-old granddaughter said, "It took her about 5 minutes to get used to the balance and then she was riding it all over the place." They went on to say they linked her phone to the Bluetooth on the board and she played her music with no problems, and the sound quality was not bad at all. Their overall first impressions are very positive, and they said, "Everything works well and quality looks to be excellent." I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel and like, share and comment on the video. Please enable notification bell icon so that you don't miss the next videos. You can check the price and purchase link in the description box below.